Remake the Achiwi Kamataya Baoping. ISLV Emergent Player of the Month Award Tangkhul now Hormibam Rivana Sampanghaira. 12 Manipur Legislative Election Le Yuik High Candidates Psycho Rele Kakutom Shalam Mihaira. Sansa we Hang Turukda Kakutuma General Conference Kam Sports, Cultural and Literary Meet Kupsanghaira. Lake Yang Tor, Aju the Tangkhul Express we Pau, Ringphawon Zimik in a Pamidalay. Pau Ping Mesa Aina Nganang Rumsa. Hero Indian Super League ISLV Emergent Player of the Month Award Tangkhul now Hormibam Rivana Sampanghaira. Somdal now Hormibam Rivana Kerala Blaster Football Club with Defense Akasada Matalak Aina Ngariao Rami Haira. ISL Emergent Players of the Month Award Zingum Mukuda Aka Kakahaya Hormibam Rivali Mikushok Hina Kapanga Saya Rivana Kachang Hiwi Matamai Tui Gaja Player Sada Award Sampanghaira Kala Awi teammate Brabsukan Gilna Kakaneli Zanga Itumna Tepai Belarus Aina Bahrain Li Ngariauki da Kale International Friendly Matches Kaniwi Preparatory camp with Wangla Hormibam Rivali Indian football coach Aikor Stimagna hosting Gahaina. Indian Super League Zadakle season Hili Hormibam Rivana Kerala Blasters Wivang match Tarada Akali Ngariora Mihaira. Ajahon semi-final le Jamshedpur Football Club le Kuyi Sampangda Kerala Blasters Football Club na Hero ISL 2021 to 2022 with finals Washung Haira. Rapai Katamna Long, Jingdun, Tangkhul Katamna Long, Sakolmang Area Naga Students Association, Young Rapai Long now, Northern Rapai Students Union, Hiping Hina 12 Manipur Legislative Election Navy High Candidate Psycho Rele Kakutom Shalam Mihaira. Matailak Aina BJP na absolute majority Sampangda Shorkar Thanwiki da Kale Wivangla Kakutom Pongshok Haira. Assembly election we result hina BJP with termly inclusive policy Samsung Kahai Chiteya the Rakhara Atamle Kapung Tampak Jingri Aina Oktirum Kawai inclusiveness le Katomira Kachushit Sanga the Long Pingjina Hanga Kala Ukrul district we MLA Akali cabinet bum Mishija Ningshilagra the Long Pingjina Mikushok press statement le Hangsanga Ukrul district la 45 chingai STAC wi minganingli portfolio mami mada chingum mukha ka haira kachi hangda cabinet pom ji 45 chingai MLA khushim washumli khamilo kachi hanga Nagaland aina Myanmar thari kasa state wi apam yangkhai ka haiping chiwi minganing khushim washumna sada khalaina kachi hila raphai katamna long jingdun Tangkhul katamna long Sakolmang Area Naga Students Association Young Rapai Long now Kala Northern Rapai Students Union Kapi Kishok Chili Hangsanga Apung Kali Kagazip Sansa we Hang Turukda Kakatuma General Conference Comes Sports Cultural and Literary Meet Kupsanghaira Kazip Ji Apung Katamna Long na Mukhok Mida Achahon Tarik Chishathang Hopok Laga Aya Kupkasangna Kazip Khangachang with Ranieli Inspector General of Police IPS IK Muivana Maso Sada Wazanga IK Muivana Kanuthot Pingli Katom Kami Aina Soda Itum Kalata Kamashung Aina Kathada Octopaira Kala Kachiwi Maramle Kasatsangmia Ukrul ADC we Caretaker Chairman Dr. Yaron Chongalung Kachai 7 DCC ex Councillor Twingahan Pairim Kala Nabard we General Manager Dr. Srinivasa Rao Atumla Khayawasada Gupkasang Gazip Chili Wazanga Hang Turukda Kakatuma Sansa General Conference Cum Sports Cultural and Literary Meet Chili Maichon Katamna Long na overall champion Ngasahaira Karanawe Kanju Tele Kamsom Hupi Katamna Long na Yui Hao Kanju Te under 14 Willi Kachai Katamna Long na Yui Mayer now volleyball le Kamsom Hupi Katamna Long na Yui Shana volleyball le Maichon Katamna Long na Yui Shana 5A side Kanju Te le Maichon Katamna Long na Yui Thing Raider Kangakun li my John Katam now long na yui. Kala Pajak li Teva Katam now long na Kuya Ngasaya. NSCN IM Ato Kilonser TH Muiva Achonghon Aina Arishangling Hagasaji Aya Shokhaira. Muiva hi intestinal problem le how the Pasamaring Pamada Achonghon Tarik Mati Thang Aina Christian Institute of Health Sciences and Research li Hagasana. Chile minor surgery le Sahira Kala Pakisang Teda Aya Arishang Aina Shokhaira da Hanga. LBG Yormi Kawai Ukrul District Dealer Shaiza Gas Services the Shohaira. Service G Kangla Gas Solution Property Limited we Azingli Kalena. Kala Chui go down Greenland Tang Ukruli Lay Kala Office na Wino Bazar Ukruli Shodale. Shaiza Gas Services G Ajonghon Tarik Tarada Mati Thang Tharkat Kada Chili Pungyo Baptist Church with Pastor Reverend Zakley Kaping. Kangla Gas Solution Property Limited with Chairman Akhom Birendra Singh. KGS with Managing Director K. Pumeshwar Atumlavazanga. Shaiza Gas Services with Akwa Yoyung Shaizala Rani Chilivazanga. Kangla Gas Solution Property Limited na Northeast India le composite LBG cylinder mida Ukrul District le composite cylinder Yormiki Gichihi Shaiza Gas Services na Karing Saya. Composite cylinder hina kathada phamai khala chilaga 100% explosion proof with safety me khangacha cylinder li ngaweng maida ka khangla khangpha mai gas kya ka jangli ka chila yangpai universal valve connection chichina la khayangli la matha maya da Shaiza Gas Services na hanga service china documents chungda mazangla sarkar na khami I card kala for passport Amamati Zanglaga spot connection li midale. Gas ka hanila booking system Malayla office kusho atamli phone aina call salaga komaira gas ka shinla shimli khirami ki kachina. Consumer akana kum khali LPG kahan thrada khanishi kaka pingli gift la mirror da hanga. Kala connection kharewe aman cylinder avavuli lupa thing thuruk sharp nga aina midale. Chili phone da host pipe aina regulator changmira gas ka han man khangacha steel cylinder wili lupa phanga swita mira la central rating system athishuda chatra chia connection service chi ajwi khaying April kachangwi hapta khare we alungli hapokhara Shaiza Gas Services with Maram Kupmai take by phone number 971-601-3639 Maningaka 9366-829-7498 Ngahanwa Paira Ukrul District Le LPG Komway Sampangkawai SSG na Certified Saghai Sub-Dealer Kutum Leidale Humbung Bomle Themayo Gas Agency Tulivag Pungsho Gas Service Kalanghui Junction Li Shimre Gas Agency Hipping Hi Leidale Manipur Sarkar Kathar Assembly Chief Minister Ngapam Biren Singh na Phungwa Lui Babamra da Pau Gazaji Mamashung Mana da Hangdale Imphal Times na Maram Hi Ngathing Khawale Aya Delhi li BJP Akho Kapi Ngasan Laga Biren na Chief Minister Sababamranu La Gwa Shong na Chief Minister Bramod Sawan na Sababamranu da Hangahai Malay Mana Jia Itumna Paningung Pai, Manipur with Legislature Party Leader Election Wiwang, BJP with Parliamentary Board na Kapangsang Kahai Observer Union, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, Kala Go Observer, Union Law and Justice Minister Kiran Rijiju Anina, Kathana, Kakapang Yang Sangrada Ani Imphalik Hung Honda Khalena. Banjab Wag, Bhagwan Manna, Tharada Kachishata, Chief Minister Ngasahaira. Awe Otpamwi doing a sheet kukui rani ayakwika haira. Congress we kushok zang kala kathanli khangache khuira khwaida Manipur, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab kala Gwawi PCC President pingna resignation misang khwai Congress President Sonia Gandhi na achonthang chizu khami athishuda aya Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee President N Loken resignation mi haira. 12 Manipur Legislative Assembly election with INC with candidate being Mike Shi Sampanga High with responsibility with the resignation Mikasangna the N Loken Hanga. Ituna te by N Loken Kalatala Nambul Assembly Constituency election ning the Makathu Gachina. Punjab Congress President Navjot Sidhu nala resignation misang hairo. Sonia Gandhi aina Rahul Gandhi gala Priyanka Gandhi Vadrala resign Sahara the Saya. Ka party kathana pingna Mamayatu the Congress senior leader Adhir Rajan Chowdhury na hanga. Sherdrigwa AC MLA Sheikh Nurul Hassanwi Kakatom now Tharada Akali Imphal East District Police na Tukukhui Wibang All Manipur Muslim Students Organization General Strike Ngohot Hai Kasaji Khwishok Mihaira. All Manipur Muslim Students Organization aina Imphal East Additional District Magistrate Kala Imphal East SP Sangda Ngasan Laga Chamna Khwi Haira Chia. Russia na Neutrality Proposal Committee Ukraine reject Sahara. Ukraine International Forces na currently Samiki Kichi Security Border Austria Sweden with the neutral status and a lehaulo the Russia na proposal kasali Ukraine maheng sang mitura. Ukraine and Russia direct raing sungda klena. Chida da sada ngalay kateli mga helpay mana. Model kasem tharan Ukrainian we ngaragrik semki kuchina the top negotiator Mikhailo Podolyak na hanga. Chingri khawai chan gazek Twitter kukhili Ukraine jihan kapai security guarantees changphulungra kachihi Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky na hanga. Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov na kahang tha kho Ukraine li chan gazek ta khlehi mapai mana kha khanini shina compromise sang rogra kachi jihan dale. Chan gazet maman raila ngre mamanda Russia Raimina Ukraine we Kamataya city pingli attack kasahi leishon dale. Ukraine la counter attack sadale Russia we Raimina Ivan Kiev city vakhui hairo Ivan Kiev we aina kilometer hangchishat shikali khalai apamna ajon thang Polish Zekala Slovenian Prime Minister Katumchina Ukraine li kakatom chitheda Kiev li khawachila aya Poland li hanung haira. Czech Prime Minister Peter Fiala na kahang Ukraine matai makeup the khutlai darga sadalai chia Prime Minister Kutumchina sanctions khutlai kala humanitarian aid we maram la rakhra atamni shokapai diplomatic steps ngasan hairo chia lakhawak Russia we media regulator na media website taraka blog sami haira latluida ajwi khamataya pawping ISLW Emergent Player of the Month Award ji Tangkhul now Hormibam Rivana Samphang Haira. 12 Manipur Legislative Election le Yuik High Candidates Psycho Rally Kakatom Shalam Mihaira. Sansa we Hang Turugda Kakatuma General Conference Kam Sports, Cultural and Literary Meet Kupsang Haira. Achi pau he nang chang hairo pau ngana da klei na tum psycho rally ringphawon klak ham haya Zimik show sa sereno.